Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you, and this time I'm going to show you how you can very easily uninstall any program from your computer using the built-in utility, but also using another program for those stubborn programs that just don't want to remove, won't remove cleanly, or just simply don't have an uninstall feature. There's a lot of YouTube channels that I've seen out there that are showing you how to use registry entries or PowerShell commands, and there's no need to go into that level of complexity or even the danger involved if you're not sure what you're doing and you can actually hurt your system. So I'm going to show you a safe method to accomplish all this. The first thing you want to do is just right click on your start menu and go to apps and features. You can also get to it by clicking the start menu, going under settings, and then you'll see apps. Either way takes you to the same place. You'll see a list of all the programs installed on your computer, and if you click on any one of them, it expands here and you'll see an uninstall button. Once you click that, it gives you another button you have to click for uninstall, and depending on the program or app that you're uninstalling, it may just disappear like this one did, or it may go through an uninstall wizard, ask you to hit next a bunch of times, confirm and all that kind of stuff, but you would just follow through the prompts and uninstall that particular program. Now what if we come across one such as one that I found here, people, you can see the uninstall button is grayed out, so we just simply do not have the ability to uninstall that app from here because it's built into the Windows 10. Well, there is a way of doing this using a program called Revo Uninstaller, which I can make another video to go in deeper on this program if you want. You'll see a list of all your programs that you have installed, and you would be able to click on any one of these things and hit uninstall. Now what I want to look for is the people app, and you'll notice that it doesn't show in here. It's all in alphabetical order, but we don't have people. At the very top you'll see Windows apps. It might take a moment to reload, and then you'll see the list of all the apps including the one that we're looking for. So I'd highlight that one, and at the top we've got uninstall. And then it asks you to confirm you want to continue uninstalling, and also the option to make a system restore point before uninstalling, which is always a great idea. So we'll hit continue and let it create the restore point and go through the uninstall process. Once it's done uninstalling, you'll see that it gives you the option to scan for leftover files, folders, and registry entries, which is typically what happens when uninstalling using the built-in Windows Uninstaller. So we'll go ahead and hit scan. You'll see that it shows a list of registry entries here. We can select all and delete them safely because we know we already took a registry restore point. And it confirms, yes, we do want to remove that, and now we can see that that program is gone from the list. If we look at the Windows Apps and Features program, we'll see that the People app is gone from this list as well. So we've successfully removed a program that at first looked like was impossible to remove without any commands, PowerShell, or screwing around with the registry. And if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. And that's a wrap.